Okay, now I will try to introduce my milestone 2 of the program of universe. So I following the milestone goals. First, workflow management. Okay, the workflow management is deployed on MUTC canister. You can see uh, I will place the front end with the development side. Uh, it will apply the uh, developer to upload their workflows and then put the sample output here. The MUTC canister there. The MUTC canister will check and record as a ledger of the as a POW calculate the workload. Then we will send the reward tokens to the developers. Okay, I will try to show a demo. Uh, there I I put a example script there. Example script uh, to show how to pace the workflow. There I need to show something about the provide config UI interface capacity for the ICP canister. For that, we can see how I integrated the config UI to the ICP canister there. Okay. I had set up, I have run a mixed-config UI instance on my computer. There is its interface. Okay, we refresh it. I will show you something, some note like this, the Definity labels and the mixed lab labels. It means that our mixed lab developers had great some note like that. And note mixed lab. I we have tried to integrate this type of node. For example, the video face instance and the prompt template to integrate it with the canister. It means that we can get the the argument, the vet parameters and workflow config from the canister, and then send the result to a canister. It means that this type of code, type of node with prefix or suffix with the infinite label and the mixed lab name, uh, this type of node we decide and development it can be integration with the canisters now. Okay, how I get it? Uh, we can save the workflow JSON. Then I try to run it to get the prompt, the result of the workflow have run. We can paste the sample output there, and then I need to paste I need to paste the JSON file there. Okay, we submit it because I have linked to the plugin wallet. Okay, control start to search for it wait me identity. So I try to start the mapping network. It will try when the MLGC canister has deployed on my developed service, then I will I have started. I started there, and then when I run the middleware with the ICPY, based on ICPY, it will show that I can say the mixed IC gateway. It's it's isolation instance, isolation applications run on the service. It it can be shown as a middleware between mixed config and the iScanist. The iScanist can't run so large an application. S- So we separated them into node for node like that. We split this type of node to integrate and work accompany with the ICP canister. It can be seen as a type of integration and a type of solution for ICP canister can run the complex AI workflow. I means the AI agent also need to run workflow, so it is very important. Okay, I try to start it. This window. Oh, I think this window. Okay, I started and see the. Okay. It need a little time because it will get the workflow file and the voice data from the canister. Okay, I will notice it. Okay, okay, this already read. I can see this is a calling come from the one workflow language. So it it's version for the next port. It is success. It is a warning, and we don't care. It will run and run until all the data set, the user centered voice from there. We can say how the user centered voice. This is our DApp. This is our DApp. We can change it to make us it looks better. We press it because it's only can run on mobile phone. You can say this is all the voice. The voice has been stored in the canister. In the canister, we can say we can say the code. We can say the code. MUTC backend has a function API to get the voice data. How to get the voice data? It can the voice data has stored in the IC Oasis project. So we get the voice data here, the voice Oasis service, and then we can say to use the principle, the government principle, and list all the folders and then find all the files. So, and then I use the true validation folder ID and file ID to label and store the current data item I have training. So when the, when the config UI run the next step, it will get the next dataset to it. Okay, this is a short demo for this 30 days. I have finished. So at last, I will show how to read my gate. Uh, in this month, the most important code we can you can see the MUTC ATC canister. This is all the code you can see. And also the URL preparation I will place in the form. So I also advise you to read the code about the Comfort UI MixLab node and the universe bot. What a different. Comfort UI MixLab node, you can see how we customize the standard Comfort UI node into our local version. Then this MixLab node integration to the universe bot. I mean, it also can be seen as the gateway between the Comfort UI and the ICP canister. And then you can read this type of code to find out how I integrated the standard AI development platform into the ICP canister. The second, you also can notice that how we customize development as a mixed lab version node to this type of node is controlled by the ICP canister. And then this is also very important to us. We are working on this is a university app. Anyway, this university app is matches goal to allow the users to send their voice. I can see the details. Share details. And it can be seen the provider of the data of the voice to let the MUTC canister can assumption consumption it, and the many is the Comfort UI called by the university app. No. Called by the universe bot. This bot is the middleware between Comfort UI and the canister. This middleware calls the canister of MUTC to get the workload and the voice data. Supply all the things to the Comfort UI, and the Comfort UI deduce it and generate the result and send to the MUTC canister again to compare the sample output and the real-time output. We can calculate the gross error value, and this is a way to calculate if this workflow is available, and this blockchain it can be sent to the blockchain to record the training data set is right, and I can accept by the main chain. Okay, that's all the demo I will show in this video. Please be careful. Careful read this report, and is there anything? If there any question, you can call me in Google email or the message or the message form. Okay.